Let's start the community meeting. This is the PipeCD community meeting, and PipeCD is the CNCF sandbox project. We follow the CNCF code of conduct. First, there are no topics on events, community resources, so next development section. About release and roadmap. We are planning to release the next patch version 0.50.3 with bug fixes. This version will include following the PRs and others like dependency updates. The PRs are the bug fix of customize and helm command pass and bug fix for graph on the dashboard. And we will include others like dependency updates. Next, Kain-san, please share your development.
Okay, so for me, I'm currently working on the deployment chase API and also supporting Kisang for the UI implementation of the deployment chase feature. The target is at the end of this month, maybe we could release this deployment chase feature. And also one other from Ki, he not attend today is about the deprecation of KI and platform provider information from PipeCD. Basically, the task is about update the control plane UI so that the control plane can support both PipeD v0 and v1. With the main difference is the v1 is not having kind of platform provider information, and application page lead and detail, deployment page lead and detail are all updated. For now, if you see on the deploy on the demo.pycd.dev, you can see that the application list page say if you see the guide that the inside page. Whoosh. You have to log in. Okay. If you look at the application list page at the KI column, if the application KI is not set, which means that application is registered under the PipeD v1, the plugin PipeD, then the application KI will be application. And for the PipeD v0 is showing that is Kubernetes. So something like that. And for the detail page, say if you click to the analyst application detail, you will see that you have the deploy target, local Kubernetes. Why, if you click some application detail for the PipeD v0, like event 1 and event 2, you will see that is platform provider, Kubernetes dev, something like that. So this task is about update all the page which still using KI and platform provider so that the same control plane can support both PipeD v1 and v0. And we have one more of this is the inside page that I sending you before. Yes, this one. Previously, we have application counting by KI on the top of the page, but the point is it depends on KI, and it a little bit hard to, what can I say, over complicated to ensure that the application inside as a inside page support bot with if else logic. So me and Key discussed and we agree that we can just ignore the kind on the previous logic. Then we showing other information like application code total, application pipe D, the pipe D running and deployment in 24 hours. Everything is sealed for both pipe D V1 and V0. So I think this feature, I mean, this new UI of the Insight can be released next version, regardless of the plugin, because yeah, it's just common thing. Hello, Key. I just share your work currently. Hi, Key. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Sorry. Yes.
Yes, I just share your currently working. Thank you.
Nice. So I have a question for the features, and I think so. Currently in PipeCD V1, we can. I want to know whether the web UI is is the same before and after PipeCD V0. Is the same web UI on the PipeCD V1 and PipeCD V0?
I
I don't understand
think
the
the
question.
UI is the same with
Okay.
thing that can be reused, but with thing that not can be reused, like deploy target or platform provider, we have if else logic to detect whether it's by V1 or V0, so that we have the right UI for that. It does answer the question.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
I just a little bit curious about the deployment total in 24 hours. I mean, this, as far as I remember, the inside, the data for this inside page is being built not in real time, but one in a day by off component. It will build everything and store to the file store. So not sure we can have the right number of the deployment total in 24 hours compared to the one we have on the monitoring page, the Grafana one. But it makes sense for other like application total or running PipeCD or something like that, because that number is not actively be changed. So I think it's gonna be okay. Also, key is the nice UI. Thank you.
Actually, about the deployment in 24 hours. Actually, I took the time from the start of the day to the end of the current to today. Yes. So it's quite not correctly about 24 hours. But I think it's uh, those data is for the today is correctly more correctly.
I have I just found a new bug. I mean, can you please just log out? You please copy the URL and then log out from this page? Could you? Sawada-san, please.
Uh,
copy the URL and then log out from here.
Local.
Log out.
No, you
Log
have
out.
to sign out. Yeah.
Log-
Then access to the URL, you just copy. We not redirect to the login page. I mean, maybe we just update the React Router package recently. So I think it's the bug of this update.
Yeah.
So yeah, please just check
Yeah.
it. You have to click to
Okay.
close
Okay.
it to move to the login page. So I think that was the bug. And one more question about the inside page. I mean, we have the label filtering just right under the on the right. So it is reflect with the application counting on above or not?
No, it's not. You know, the above one is on the total number. It's not
Okay.
using so input
Okay.
under. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So maybe after this, we can have other like graph counting to the later or not. But yeah, the currently thing is work, I guess. At least we have uh the counting dialog is above the filter. So maybe we can have some kind of UX like the filter only reflect by the undergraph, something like that. So yeah, I think it's all right for now. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Next, Fujio-san, please share your development.
Okay, I'm trying to re-implement Kubernetes plugin with PipeCD plugin SDK. So it's because I want to prepare for implementing multi-cluster plugin because these plugins are the same logic basically. So for the priority, so I want to focus on implementing the quick sync for multi-cluster first, and then later I want to prepare to implement the live state feature. But maybe it is ideal to do live state and multi-cluster deployment feature. So but I don't know about the front-end development, especially. So maybe we can develop web UI if we have some only mock data for the live state API. So not depends on the API. So I want to know the minimum requirement for developing the front-end UI. It's actually difficult. So if you have some live state mock data in the such a file and so on, so we can we implement the web UI by using the mock data in the files and so on? It's difficult.
I think I need the input data, so the mock data is okay. Yeah. I need some more detail about why should reflecting what should we show on this function. Yeah. So
I think the best way to actually working from this is rechecking the current implementation of the live state feature on the UI. So I think Fuzio and Key should have directly talk about that current implementation of laser state, and Fuzio should prepare what you want for the case of multi-cluster or for the case of data from plugin that implement the live state interface so that he can understand what to be updated. Or maybe you can just go bold. I mean, just using the same model for now and seeing that anything happen, and if any bug or something error showing, you can just update from there. So it's a little bit hard to understand what actually going on if you do not have anything to touch it from start. So I think based on the labor state currently is the best way to start with this. I think so. It's okay. And Forky, if you're not actually clear what he just said, it's about the application detail page. We have the above is every application information, and the below is application live state. We call it the live state feature. The graph here is the live state feature. This live state feature using data from backend we prepare on the file store. And I think this kind of React graph or something, I'm not actually remember this one. But currently we have that for the Kubernetes, for the Cloud Run. So it's not just about support just only one application. Kai, I know we do not have Kai anymore, but what I mean is previously we implement this feature for Kai specific. Say we have live state for Kubernetes, we have this live state for the Cloud Run, but we do not have for the other, like for ECS, for Lambda or anything else. We do not have because we do not have the way to abstract the resource from other than Cloud Run and Kubernetes, because this one is about the resource live state. So we have to design the abstract of what should be represent, like the resource name, the resource status, and we have something here like the resource hash. We have we have support this feature for ECS or not? As far as I remember, we maybe have for ECS. Yeah, we have for ECS. Yes, yes, yes. We have this for ECS, but not for Lambda. So, I mean, we not have this for everything, but we have to ensure that this resource is common enough for the other as well. So please check the current implementation of this live state for other.
Yeah.
Do you have anything on your pocket now, Key?
Currently, I
Other
don't have.
stuff.
No.
Okay.
No.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. So I noticed that to implement the live state feature for multi-clusters, we should try to implement to the live state feature for the plugin. So actually, we can't. Maybe we might not be able to see the live state on web UI, maybe. So at first, we should aim to show the live state for the plugin architecture, maybe, and later we we implement for the multi-class the web UI. So there is a two-step maybe. At first, we will implement to show the live state for the application, which is managed by PipeCD V1. Currently, we can't see the state. Then later, we will, currently we can't see the live state. So the first step is to see the state on the web UI.
Okay.
Okay, so at first, if Kisan don't have any tasks, so I want you to investigate the live state feature for plugin. So we want to show the live states such as Kubernetes plugin. So maybe we should investigate the actual implementation for the current live state features. And later we will fix towards the PipeCD one.
I think it's gonna be better if you have if you have issue or something that actually showing Chuki that what should be done next and what is your expected, so that he can have kind of checkbox, because he do not have visualization of the other side of PipeCD. I mean, yeah. So yeah, you have to make it clear what you want and how to get it, and you need to share your currently working on from your side to Key, so that he can working with that.
Okay,
And we
so
have CNCF by CD channel for collaboration. So I think you should actively ping each other on there.
okay. So okay, let me prepare for the progress. So at first I will share the some steps for the live stage, and later I'll ping to Kisan on the CNCF Slack.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you. And Kikuchi-san is absent, so it's my turn. I'm implementing the live state API for Kubernetes plugin using the SDK. And I implemented the live state live resources collection, and I sent prerequisites. And after that, I will implement the feature called drift detection. It's merged into live state API for plugin, so I will implement it in the live state API. That's all. We don't have other topics, but do you have any? No?
Okay, yeah.
It's okay.
Yes.
So let's decide the next meeting. Date will be March 26. And the host will be Kikuchi-san.
Okay.
Okay, it's all.
The next is for the Japanese.
Yes, next is Japanese.
Okay. Thanks.
Also, because he just joined recently, I I just want to say that I'm working on the deployment chase API, and it's available on the demo already, and I'm testing on that. So maybe if he want to test the UI, then you can start from.
Yeah. So do you have any data to show?
Yeah, in fact, in the background, I'm currently registering some event with
Yeah.
the deployment chase. So just wait a minute.
Yeah. Okay. I will check on that.
Okay. That's all for today's community meeting. So see you next time on March 26th or the next after next English meeting. See you next time.
Thank you. See you.